Hey everyone, I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your GoPro Hero 7 and restore it to its default factory settings. The GoPro Hero 7 Black, Silver, and White are all great cameras, but while they are physically more durable than a lot of other action cameras, they are still prone to software issues. If you're running into software problems with your GoPro Hero 7 camera, a last resort is to reset your GoPro Hero to its default factory settings to see if that resolves your issue. Alternatively, if you decide to sell or trade in your GoPro Hero 7, you should always make a habit of resetting the factory settings to ensure no one else can access your files or personal information. The process to restore your GoPro Hero 7 to its default factory settings only takes a couple of minutes. Now let's walk through the steps to reset your GoPro Hero 7 to its default factory settings. Step 1. Turn on your GoPro Hero 7. You should see the preview displayed in the touchscreen interface on the back of the camera. Step 2. Swipe down from the top of the touchscreen interface. A menu appears. Step 3. Tap the blue Preferences button in the menu. The Preferences screen appears. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of the Preferences screen until you see Reset. Tap Reset. The Reset screen appears. Step 5. Scroll down to the bottom of the Reset screen and then tap Factory Reset. A Factory Reset dialog box appears with a warning that resetting the factory settings on your GoPro Hero 7 resets your settings, clears your connections, and removes the camera from your GoPro Plus account. Step 6. Tap the blue Reset button in the Factory Reset dialog box. A resetting screen appears briefly on your GoPro Hero 7. Your GoPro Hero will beep a few times before the language screen is displayed. Congratulations! You now know how to factory reset your GoPro Hero 7 and restore it to its default factory settings. Thanks for watching. Leave your thoughts and questions in the comment section below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.